Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a user in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the setup so we can access to our users lists. And from the start menu, we setup menu, we go to setup, and after that we go to the quick find and we search for users. And simply we need just to go to our users menu or list, and from here you will find all the list of the users. Basically, as you can see here, there is this active field or active property in our users. So this is the roles, profiles, and this is the active field. And all we need to do is to uncheck this box, and we will have our class or our user that will be deactivated successfully. So simply, we need just to go to the user that you want. For example, this user integration here. We click on edit and simply we need just to uncheck this active. So as you can see, the activating users removes them from all the delegated group, ensuring privileges, and the following pages prompts you to remove this user from any teams. So make sure that you really want to deactivate the user so you can remove them from all the privileges. And basically after that, you will need just to go and click on save, and you will have this box that will be inactive or unchecked, and you will have successfully deactivated this user. And basically, deactivating this user will make all the actions impossible for him in your organization. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.